Hello everyone, I'm Camila. For today's topic, I'll be answering a question about Korean culture. The question we have is, how should I greet Koreans when meeting for the first time? It's a great question. If you have a Korean background, then you should bow, especially to elders, while saying 안녕하세요. Bowing is done between Koreans, both men and women. The deeper the bow, the more respect that is shown. But if you don't have a Korean background, just say 안녕하세요 with a nod and smile. If you want to learn Korean, we have a structured online course that will teach you how to have a 3-minute conversation in the first 90 days. Find out more and get a free lesson at www.90daykorean.com. Bye bye!